So now that you figured out who you want to be and what you want to talk about in your diary entry, before we move on to the next part of the planning process, I wanted you to see what a model diary entry looks like. So here's my diary entry that I wrote for the Mexican woman who's moving from Mexico to California looking for gold. As I read it, I want you to see if you can spot the historical pieces of information that I incorporated into my diary. What does incorporate mean? Incorporate or incorporar means to add in or weave into something. So where did I put real historical information and where did I put it into my diary entry? Okay, see if you can find. There's actually 9. There's supposed to be 10, but I made a mistake. So there's only 9, okay? So I'm gonna start reading. December 1849. That sounds like a historical fact. 1849, number 1. Okay, that's just a hint. No more hints, I promise. December 1849. Dear Diary, it has been a long day. Dios mío. I am beat from mining all day. I can't believe it has only been a day, but a lot has happened today. Today was my first day in California. I came here because people discovered gold. I heard about it when I was living in Mexico, and I knew I had to try my luck to strike it rich. I told my abuelo and abuela adios, and I headed out to San Francisco because it's considered a boomtown. Once I arrived, I had to buy all the supplies I would need. I first needed to get my supplies for mining, a mining pan, a shovel, and a pick. Then I also needed to get supplies to live in this new city. I bought coffee, can't live without my café, bacon, sugar, frijoles, flour, bedding, a tent, a lamp, and a kettle. Once I found a good place to start looking for gold, I took my pan out and got down on the ground near the river. Then I realized I had no idea what I was doing, so I asked the young man next to me, "Excuse me, señor, my name is Esperanza. Can you show me how to pan for gold?" "Well, howdy there, ma'am. My name is Jimmy Dean. It'd be my pleasure," he replied happily. He grabbed my pan and started to explain. "See, first you put the gravel and water into the pan. Then you shake it real good and forth, back and forth like this, like you're fixing to make some fried chicken. After shaking the pan, the gold, if you find any, of course, should be at the bottom." "Oh, I understand. Gracias," I thanked him with a smile. "Where are you from, sir?" "I'm from Oklahoma, but everyone here is from all over the place. Eleanor over there is from Europe, Jack is from Australia, and Deming is from China." I was shocked to hear that people had come from all over the world to find gold. In fact, I learned that in just this year, 90,000 people arrived in California looking for gold. They even have a nickname for them. They call them the 49ers. It's a clever name to give to people who are working hard to be successful. Maybe I will call my football team in Mexico the 49ers. I think it's time to get some shut-eye before another long day looking for gold. Talk to you tomorrow, diary. Esperanza. Okay, where did I incorporate 9 historical pieces of information? Can you spot them out? Let's see. The first one you should have noticed was the year and the month. Okay, I'm going to pause here and see if you can point to the other ones.